XRP to replace the dollar? Here's the fact check. So I found this article interesting. I always like to show the ones that, have a kind of fact check behind it. So U.S. declares Ripple's XRP will replace the dollar. Fact check. And this was updated, 3 days ago. So no other news has come out since then, but the Ripple community is taken by storm with the claim that the U.S. Congress is purchasing XRP at $10,000 and officially adopting XRP in place of the U.S. dollar. It sounds sensationalized, but let's separate what's really going on. Over the past few years, several of the world's largest nations, BRICS collective, that's Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, have begun to break away from the U.S. using the U.S. dollar for international commerce. This is called de-dollarization. As part of this process, they're looking at alternative assets, including cryptocurrencies. And recently, XRP has come into that conversation quite prominently. That BRICS could possibly utilize XRP ledger to develop a common global digital currency, CBDC. Why XRP, though? It's fast, affordable, and scalable. If you don't know what XRP is and this is your first time learning about XRP, I have a video, XRP Explained, on my channel, so go check that out. Ripple, the firm driving XRP, has entered partnerships and relationships with various BRICS members through many financial initiatives. Fast forward to today, and the same user has posted again claiming that Congress is buying XRP at $10,000 and declaring XRP as the new U.S. dollar. If BRICS or any major institution were to adopt XRP, it would potentially drive demand and adoption manyfold, usually a driver of price higher. Yet no such public announcement has been made by the U.S. government or Congress stating that XRP is now the new dollar of the U.S. There's also no news that Congress is purchasing XRP at $10,000. So, unless, again, Congress or our U.S. government comes out and says that they're doing that, not saying that they aren't, it's just not, there's not an official statement, right? Because if you know the U.S. government, they're very hush-hush. But again, if there's no official statement, then we have to kind of assume this isn't happening, even though it can kind of be said the same as could be happening. But if there's no official news, then, we kind of just follow that. Just make it simple. If there's no official news, just assume it's not happening. But again, yeah, anything with crypto, especially XRP, people love going on X, previous Twitter, previously known as Twitter, going on X and just saying whatever you want to get a conversation going, get a follow, get a like, get a, make a video, whatever. And I kind of like to fact check those or find the articles that kind of fact checked it and see, it's updated. There's nothing new coming out that the government has not said anything around that they're buying XRP and at XRP at 10,000 or anything like that. So unless this is insider knowledge and trading, which is illegal, we have to assume this is not true. But yeah, just wanted to make that quick video of just, fact check, do a little research, go on Google, go watch videos like this and see what's real, what's true. So, yep, that was just a little quick video I wanted to do. Thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, check out my channel. Like I said, I have an XRP Explain video that you can go check out. And yeah, stick around or go do whatever else you want to do to your life. Maybe you need to get back to work. Maybe this is a little work break. And you're in the office watching this, and yeah, good for you. Keep learning, and yeah, thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one. Peace.